Hello everyone. Today I am showing you how can you create a employee dummy data. So first, what you have to do, you have the department, you have the location, and everything have to in your sheet. So after this, go to the employee master and uh, equal index formula. Then click on department, select department, then click F4 to lock this. After this, comma, then select rand between, then 1, comma 7, then bracket close. Click enter. See, now you can find out every single things. Data is ready. You can check or you can do everything.